Hey, what's up guys, Nathan here, back with another video, and in today's video, I bring you episode 17 of Ocean Life Survival, which, is on New Year's Eve. This is the New Year special, because that's when it's going up. This is New Year's Eve, the day I'm recording it on, but you will see this video on New Year's, so yeah. By the way, since this is going up on New Year's, I hope you all have a good day, so yeah, there's that. And also, I came prepared this time with 3 stacks of cobblestone, and I apologize for any background noise. That's just fireworks, because it's obviously New Year's Eve, so yeah. Anyways, let's go look for some more. Let's go look for some, like another fortress, anyways, as I was saying in my previous video, if you would like a scripted or unscripted series next up, I do have a good idea in mind for a scripted series, so, if you want to know more about that, you can check out my video on my channel. It's in my, playlist named Ocean Life Survival Series. So you can check that out if you like, so. Okay, how do I want to do this? Anyways, I can't really think of anything else to do for a New Year's special than to do the most boring thing. Wait, no. I'm not gonna say that, because boring things would... this is literally the 3rd time I had to make this video, because I messed up twice, and, can't edit that out. Like, it was so bad, and I can't edit out these fireworks, unfortunately, so I might just... Hopefully you guys don't mind too much, because I don't have a soundproof room, so... I mean, soundproof, what you call it, Man, they got a lot of fireworks. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the background, but, yeah. Anyways, I don't think you would really have to hear it in the background to hear it, because I think there are fireworks in a lot of places, so... Anyways, how do you, how fast do you think this year went by? To me, it went by really fast, so... It came unexpected. Like, I really wasn't expecting 2020 to be right around the corner this fast. Like, it seems like only a couple of days ago I was waiting, well, we were waiting for 2019, and now it's almost over. So let me know down in the comments below what you think about that. So, yeah. Also, don't forget what I just told you previously about the series, scripted or unscripted. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, comment, and tap that bell so you'll be notified of all my videos. Alright, so I'm gonna build over there. Also, let me know down in the comments below. Okay, I'm counting now. This is the 3rd time I said to put down in the comments below Maybe I should do that on all my videos. I should really just have a counter on the screen. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do that, so nah. Anyways, oh, wow, I'm already through my first act. Also, after I build the bridge, I have to make it safer. Don't want to just fall in the lava every 5 seconds. But you know what I mean. Gotta make it super safe, so... I don't remember, I can't really think right now, because it's almost, hold on, yeah, it's really close, like, it's not that far away from being 2020, like, wow. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. It's probably gonna be, like, around the time when I get up. Wait, no, I don't think I'm going to sleep, because I don't really do that, so, like, around New Year's. So, yeah. Anyways, almost there. Uh-oh, I didn't even think about that. Get away. He's not even attacking me. Uh-oh. Aren't you gonna do something? Guess not. That was a little bit weird. My trident touched the lava. But since it had loyalty, it didn't burn. Man, I don't even know what I'm gonna do to stay up. Like, will I even be able to stay up without falling asleep? I don't know. Guess we'll find out tomorrow. So close. I think I want to go this way. Almost there. Come on, come on. There we go. I think that should work. Let's do that. So close, only a couple of blocks away. I mean, not that many blocks away. I think it's... No, no, no. Oh my gosh. That used a lot of cobblestone. Who knows? I might just put fences there. That would require a lot of wood, which I don't have. So I might just have to make cobblestone walls. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Hopefully I find like some kind of fortress or something. Oh man, this is a lot. This is a lot. Hold on. Wait, what? why are there like, it's like a staircase. There's no blocks under it. Let me know down in the comments below how many times, let me know in the comments down below if you have ever seen, one of these things appear in the nether. I have never saw this before. It's normally like, there's normally not something like this, and like, I don't know, is it something new? Maybe I should have a counter, like maybe in my next video, which will be the upcoming Saturday. I might just start making videos the day before so I can post them earlier. We'll see. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hold on, let's see how many. Wow. You know what? I'm gonna be funny. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna end off here. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yes, I'm doing that. I find another fortress, and I'm gonna end off the video here because it's funny. So, yeah. If you would like to see what happens next, I guess you'll probably have to wait until Saturday. Or maybe I might make another video tomorrow. Or today, who knows. But, yeah. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment. Wait a minute, you might not get to see what happens next, because I think I'm just going to do this off camera because I've pretty much reached my recording limit. I normally like to do 10-minute videos, but it's almost 13 minutes. So, yeah, I'm going to end it here. So, sorry about that, guys. But, yeah, I'm going to leave it there. So, if you enjoyed today's video, I'm going to say this for the third time, I think. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment, as well as tap that bell so you can be notified of my future videos. So, I don't even know what to say. I'll either make another video on, New Year's, or the upcoming Saturday. So, yeah. See you in the next one.